Do you like hand sewing but hate using a thimble as much as I do? Well, hold on. I'm going to give you a genius, cheap and easy DIY thimble hack.
So I've been hand sewing, hand quilting, hand beating this bad boy. And as you might be able to tell, that's a lot of hand sewing. I've tried every thimble known to man. I've tried cheap-ass thimbles, which suck. I've tried other cheap-ass thimbles, which also suck. Of all the thimbles I have, I like this one the best, but I still don't like it. These things, which are supposed to be sticky-on-y things, I don't even know who makes them, but they totally suck. They don't stick on. These things are actually pretty good. I can't remember the name of them. They're little leather pads that'll stick on to the end of your finger. And whatever the adhesive is, they stick pretty darn well. So if I don't have anything else, I will use these. However, they're freaking expensive for what they are. They're stupidly expensive. I think it's like $6.95 for one sheet of these or something, which is stupid. Forget that. Let me show you a better way. For this quick and easy thimble hack, you will need baking soda and basically super glue. This is like a gel super glue. You don't have to get this kind of gel super glue, but basically get gel super glue. All right, so here's how you do it. You basically take your super glue, you take your stitching finger. As you can see, my poor stitching finger is somewhat chewed up. If my phone would focus on it. You put yourself a nice little dollop of super glue, whatever size you like, on there. I have no idea if you're supposed to use super glue on your skin. You're probably not supposed to. If you end up getting finger cancer because of this, don't blame me. I take no responsibility for you doing anything. But I know people get super glue on their skin all the time, and I believe that first responders use super glue to close wounds. So anyway, this is the baking soda. Take the baking soda, you take your dollop of stuff. Now you could just let this dry if you want. Come on, phone, focus. You could just let this dry, but the problem that I found if you just put on super glue is that it's too slippery. And so your needle kind of slips off that little thing. So what I do is I take it in my little thing of baking soda and I dip it like so. And the super glue is basically, the baking soda basically works as an activator, and it makes the super glue harden almost instantly. And it becomes nice and hard, sticks to your finger like super glue, and it gives you a nice little bit of texture for your needle.
And there you go. Waterproof, durable, cheap. Get little crusties off every now and again. But you now have a little thimble. And if you have your needle, wherever your needle is, you need to push it through some fabric. This is my pushing finger. This thing works like perfect. Just great. And if you want to get it off, I mean, who would want to? You can just wear this thing all the time like a fashion statement. I'm not going to do it right now because I still have some sewing to do. But if you just run it under some hot water, kind of let it soak off, and it just peels right off. It's awesome. It's an awesome thimble hack. As I say, be safe out there. Bye.